pigs, and birds cast in the panic. Alright, what is the villain is this now? Okay. Dr. Central in now. Yeah, that's the jungle and the pot. What the? I feel that. Oh, okay, I didn't move on. I'm gonna move on. Let's see. Listen. What the? Someone is to my jungle. You gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me! Okay, hold on. That's an ice water. Alright. Oops. Please knock on this door. Maybe there's someone there. Hurry up! Alright. Huh? Someone just sit there right there. Alright. I have to find out. Alright. That was a... Oh. Enemy! Stay back! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hey, stop me. Ow, ow, ow. Please, we don't want to talk. What talk, your biggest dirty bird? No, you can call me Tony. Tony, you're in the village, alright. No, I'm not the village, alright. I am one of your dice. But I need you. No. Irrelevant. Hey, doesn't know. Makes me sad. Stop it. He's not. He's your king, right? No, I'm not a king. It's true. Alright, what is it? Okay, because I'm over the hole. Let's see the hall. What the is your own? Yeah, it's a tournament, right? That's supposed to run. Cause I am the total one on this face. But I need you, please. Please. No. Why? No. I have to say anything not a joke, not a turtle, not to have a, not hair on your face. Ha! I go out of here. Hey! Now. Oh. Almost. Have to talk right. Please. I don't need you. No. Hey! Why go on staying? Please stay with us. No. Alright. No. Alright. Guess what? I know. Yeah, goodbye. I need to save a light. You just sit it. And then, and it starts. And it starts like beautiful night. Okay. Right. Why? Cat. I love you. Stay with us, please. Hi, Mirror. Take that, Blance. Alright. I need to try more than on Decker. Chicken. I have this so to bladder eyes and never guys defeat me. He that. He's that. Huh? The bird. Ew, one. Ah! Ew. Here. Yeah. Here with it. You're nasty to tell you. Are you hungry with me? Ah! That's it. Dun 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 dun. Alright. Let's get it. Yes. Rock, paper, scissors, choose. Rock, paper, scissors, choose. Wait till. Ha! That's right. You're not a turtle chicken. Cannot. Oh my god. Man. I think this is a possibility. Just food. Delicious. I need more pigs. Waiter and the banker. What the booze? What are you doing with pig? Oh, Red, check out my panic. That's a real. It's made the wood and all the green, black, and other ones breaks out time. Yeah. But what am I gonna do with this? It's just only the level 1, the level 2, and the haunted, naughty, evil level. I knew it. It's my king. They're gonna get my villains, the pigs. Like you! Hey, don't punch me. Hey! Why are you doing that? Because pigs is not the horror. Hey! Not good. Yeah, good. Not good. Yeah, good. Yeah? No! Okay, let me try this, guys. Before that. Wait. I'll tell one. This thinks is a turn. How to get an egg? How do I get an egg? You gotta complete. You gotta complete two punches chance. 2, you win 1 egg. Okay. Let's go to level 1. It. Oh, wait a second. Why am I in the level? Hey, birds. Oh, you know what? That's it. I'm going to show myself. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Oh, blood. Oh, it's not work. Let's see me. Yeah. Have a fun there. Oh, no. Ah, I missed. My turn. Oh, oh. What the? Why I spotted? Oh no, he's spotted. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. Ah. Oh yeah. Ah. Whoa. Ow. It's 2. Wait. It's 2 levels left. Okay. Maybe we go. Is have a 2 levels, sir? Yes, more 2 more. 2 more? Okay. I guess we're gonna alter. I think another panic choke. Wait, why me? Stay with me. Did you? Okay. Let's go. Right. What the? Why are you in a slingshot? Oh, that's your day. Oh, that's it. Weep. Oh no. Oh, right. My turn. Oh yeah. Oh. Ah, so close. All right, my turn. Weep. Oh. Oh, I respond. Now we gotta take down. Oh no! Oh! Ha! Beat that left. Whew. Right. There's 4 left. Can be the 4 bosses. Yes, to get the egg. Alright. Let's go, guys. I want that to free. Guys. What? What, monsieur? Guys, we have a problem. What a problem? Bert is coming. With 100,000 to the final, on the boss level. What are you gonna do? But not me. The others. Hey, you discovered the birds, and I had to stop about turbines in the hall. What was heard the choir on Chinese guitar hall? No, it was. Hey! Oh no. What the heck? What the heck? It's your Ozzy cast. This stole my sword. Yeah, you never defeat guys. Let's be there, a boss. Oh no! There's a stair, but his cuts is top. Yeah! Oh no! Oh, don't do it. Really, Bomb? You gotta hug it. Don't worry, my life is a stutter out monsters. Oh, this was started Ben? Yeah, this is Ben? Well, okay. I gotta get it. Alright, let me shot this. Oh, yeah! Can't do that, man. Oh! Oh! Ah! Alright. Yeah! Oh! Ow! My face! Oh! Why respawn? Let's up. Alright. Hurry! Let's get mad! Yeah! Ah! Yeah! Wait, why he's not shot me? Because he's turned on energy. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's get it hot. Yeah. Up. Oh no. I'll go on to yeah. Ah. Yeah. Alright, we're beat alive. Oh! Now, where's this? Has to be the panic is a part of. That's it, he's a part of. Alright, okay. Her status. This is the. This is not over yet, but I have to go two bosses. Two? Two? What do you mean two? Two bosses? You don't gotta people. Yeah, that's it, birds. Let's get up. Let's cheer the cultivated level. Yes, yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Solely spawn slingshot, please. Ha! Perfect. Oh no, you can't. Hui. Release the turns. After doors, you are the pet and the world. You can first. Now you get paid. Yeah. Wait, what the? It's too fast. Is I have my speed boost swing the sword. Yeah. No. Okay. No. Oh no. 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 Let's build that castle. Maybe the sword? Oh no. I missed. Hey, you wanna. Alright. Hey. Let's. Where's the eggs? It's a panic. It's like a boom. Yes, sir. Let's flop. Holy shit. Oh my. How do I fall? Shit. Eat back. Let's go. Let's get him back to the port. What the heck is happening? No. Hey, ah, come on, you slow. Slow. Oh. Holy shit. Oh, get back on. Arrested. Anyway. Oh, those. Oh no, the panic. You have made sure it's not into tyrant. Oh, okay. Alright. Now that. Oh no, I'll go back. You're gonna pass the toy. Oh, I'm gonna stop. Thanks. Let's go. Alright. Oh no, you cheating? Rasta. Oh, hey. I did turn around. Oh. Oi. Oi. Oh. Ah. Sorry. Goodbye, loser. No, my crown. Ah. Ouch. Oh, nice. Don't. Your waters. Hey. Aha. You got it, alternate. Now we're trapped. Yes. Roses. You gotta break for that. And I still on there. You get the stone is still there on the. Long as with half useful hair. Now get me out of here. Yeah? Get me out of here. No. But I can't get there. Hey, get over. Sorry, boss. No. No. Yes. They're called roses. Oh, really sure, Matt. Can I pay it? That's it? No. I gotta admit that for the chef. So long. Here's the sector. Shit, we can't get out of here. And I stuck a slingshot. There we go. Alright. So why are we gonna get out of here? We need the friends. Hey, oh, I gotta get you one. Oh no. Oh no, my crown. Uh-oh. You will be the master, eh? No, I know what being the next. Look at that, right? Hey. So I have eggs. Oh no, you're not gonna open this. No, I just gonna touch her. No, you seriously not gonna open? No, serious. No. See, yes. You seriously? Let's get go, let's get hey, big Skittle. Give me that. And now, I get. Ow! Is a tall one. And a stud. No, a really tin. Huh? That means you call. Win. Hugs! Go! Joe, you're back! Wait, what the? Me? John? Oh, you're back! Now you're back. I looked at Porter, sister. It's... what's the tip? Get out here. Pew. Pew. Alright. I did it. So you know where the dinosaur? How? Okay. I think so, Dad. Come with me. Wait till. Hey, Tony, what are you doing? It's not work. How? No? Can't be friends because he's getting safe and all. Trying to get the speaker down and I promise. But, no. Oh, what's that? It's a drone. Is the live guy is a tiny drone? And he gets the fast ones. Yes, he's a toddler. Oh. So, June? What? Oh no. Okay. Let us try. We're not to be friends. Let us. In turbines. Me, do batata. Huh? Who are you? We are Ether Ops Fits. Continue.